Hi guys, this is Reefman here. So in this video I got this from Mexico. I didn't really know whether to actually upload this video as I don't think I'll see one of these creatures again. He's just in that little burrow here. It's a mantis shrimp. There's over 450 species of mantis shrimp. The main common ones that you'll see if you are in the areas of Indonesia or the Philippines are the peacock mantis shrimp and the zebra mantis shrimp. So as I say, there's 450 different species. They all have various colours and different sizes and stuff. They actually are classified as a stomatopod, so they're not a shrimp. And the name mantis shrimp obviously resembles a praying mantis. They're divided up into two main groups: a smashing one and a spearing one. So the spearing one will burrow himself under the sand with his head poking out, and when a fish gets too close, he'll spear it, impale it, and then pull it back in and start eating away. Where the smashing ones is actually quite a little bit more on the smashing ones. So the smashing ones will hit them dead hard with a lot of force, enough force actually to say that it's actually the fastest strike in the animal kingdom. So the prey has very little chance to get away. They also hit them with that much force that it creates vapor-filled bubbles, which are also known as cavitational bubbles, and that exerts so much force on the animal that it knocks them out or kills them pretty much instantly. They have that much force they've actually been known to actually break aquarium glass, very thick tempered aquarium glass. They actually create 1,500 newton meters of force, so their punch is basically as strong as a 22 caliber bullet. Scientists are actually baffled by this animal because when obviously they punch the prey, they have that much force behind it that they can't understand why they actually evade hurting themselves. But they've actually done extensive research on it, and they actually have this thing called polysaccharide chitin inside of them, which is basically like an armour, and it absorbs all that energy. They're a very interesting animal. They've got unparalleled vision. They can move their eyes independently from one another, and they actually are believed to be the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. So whereas like us humans have 3 types of photoreceptors in our eyes, where the mantis shrimp has between 12 and 16 different photoreceptor cells, so it can see in ultraviolet light, visible and polarized light. They actually are older than dinosaurs as well, so they were basically started evolving 400 million years ago, so they're very, very, very old species. They actually are very highly intelligent animals. If you do want to see one, they're very fast, very scurry, so you have to be quick. But the main places to go to see one is Indonesia, the Philippines, those sort of areas, and they mainly stay around the shallow areas. But yeah, that's the mantis shrimp, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.